Start with half a cauliflower or take more just if you prefer extra cauliflower compared to potatoes. The quantity of both can be adjusted as per your taste. We will first cut the cauliflower into florets. Just make sure the florets are neither too big nor too small. I am going to slice each one in half. That gives a perfect bite-sized piece and helps reduce the cooking time. We will cut all the cauliflowers this way, then wash it thoroughly. Some people wash the cauliflower before cutting it, but doing it afterwards helps clean it better, especially since cauliflower can have a little dirt trapped inside. Don't throw away any part, even the small bits. Wash everything well and let it dry while we prep the potatoes. Now take 3 potatoes and cut them into medium-sized pieces. The size of potatoes really make a difference in this recipe since potatoes take longer to cook than cauliflower. So make sure they are not too big. Cut all the potatoes evenly and keep them aside. Next, take 1 onion and chop it into small bite-sized pieces. Some people skip onions in this recipe and go with just potatoes and cauliflower, but I personally love the flavors onions add. Now add 8 to 10 tablespoons of cooking oil and let it heat up. Add 1 teaspoon of jeera and 1 bay leaf. Potato cauliflower is a dry main course dish from Indian cuisine, and the slightly higher amount of oil helps with even cooking and enhance the flavor. Once the oil is hot, add your chopped onions and saute them for about a minute. If you have skipped onions, you can start directly with the potatoes. I have also skipped ginger and garlic in this version, but those are optional. Add them if you like extra flavor. Since potatoes take longer to cook, we will fry them first for a few minutes before adding the cauliflower. This way the cauliflower stays tender and doesn't overcook. After about 1 to 2 minutes, add half teaspoon haldi and 3/4 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. This chili powder isn't too spicy, but it gives a beautiful vibrant color that makes the dish look amazing. Mix the spices well with your potatoes and onions and let the potatoes cook for about 2 minutes. We want the potatoes to be half cooked before adding the cauliflower. Cover the pan and let them cook in steam for about 5 minutes. Cauliflower often turns soggy if cooked for too long, so these steps help balance the cooking time. After about 5 to 7 minutes, the potatoes will be half done. Now add the cauliflower and mix everything nicely so it's evenly coated. Cover again to help it cook faster. This recipe usually takes 20 to 25 minutes total, with about 10 minutes just for the potatoes. Keep checking every 3 to 4 minutes to make sure nothing sticks to the bottom of the pan. If it feels too dry, sprinkle a little water. After about 7 to 10 minutes, both cauliflower and potatoes should be soft and almost cooked. Check the potatoes. Mine are almost done but not fully cooked yet. So now I will add the rest of the spices. Add 1 teaspoon dhania powder, 3/4 teaspoon amchur, 3/4 teaspoon spicy red chili powder and a few drops of water. This helps prevent the spices from burning. Also add 1.5 teaspoon salt. Since the recipe doesn't have tomatoes, do not skip the mango powder. It adds that perfect tangy flavor. If you don't have amchur, a few drops of lemon juice at the end will do the trick. Mix everything well, and if it starts to feel too dry or sticks to the pan, add a splash of water. Once everything is well combined, cover it one last time and let it cook for 3 to 4 more minutes. This ensures the potatoes and cauliflower are fully cooked. Be careful not to overcook, otherwise the dish will turn mushy and lose the nice crunchy bite. Finally, add some freshly chopped cilantro leaves and your potato cauliflower is ready to serve. You can enjoy it with a little yogurt on the side. I have many more Indian recipes on my channel, so stick around and I will see you in the next video.